You just give reason. What is this? You don't know how to tackle your problem. You don't know how to tackle your situation. You don't know nothing. Just wearing that is not enough. We never encroach the border. We never used to shout such type of things. You continually doing all people. Whenever ऐसा नहीं होगा. अगर अभी देखो सुनो अभी अब
If the protocol, you cannot really come here.
as a formalities अब यहाँ बिजी थे आप लोग का सब यहाँ का जितना घटना हुआ है आज तो रिपोर्ट करेगा as per formalities तो उसके बाद अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि हम मेरा बात नहीं सुना है फिर पब्लिक आ गया ये बोल सकेगा आप न्यूज में अभी रिकॉर्ड करो कि मेरा कंट्रोल में नहीं आया सब आ गया तो यू जस्ट गिव हमको कंट्रोल में नहीं आया तो वो चला गया तो हम लोग एक्शन लेगा विल टेक द एक्शन ऐसा नहीं ना
Don't
Why you
go
cannot control your own
yesterday
people?
also
Why you cannot control your own people? Why you cannot control your own people?
I have control.
You think that this is your land?
See how many?
Everyone knows that this is
No, nobody is standing not see this is their own land.
It is
under block 2.
ऐसा कभी भी नहीं block 2 या block 1
Don't
doesn't
touch
matter.
me. I'm not
It doesn't matter.
I'm
Who
not touching
commands
you.
you? ये कौन किसका है ये जमीन ये रास्ता किसका
I
है
don't
ये
know
पानी
because I
किसका है
didn't-
You have to know that.
You ask the government.
जो भी गवर्नमेंट जो ऐसे check them back capable of doing all this. Check them back. How much you tolerate? Even they not doing S7. You also know that from the very beginning it's continuous happening. From very beginning you also know that. आज तक हम कंटिन्यू 12-15 दिन हो गया उमला पे आते रहना पड़ेगा और फिर भी हम लोग को लुकुंसी में इसमें टेम्पोरेरी इंटरिमली हम लोग वो पोस्ट दिया था उसमें भी आप लोग को झगड़ा करके ये कर रहा है अरे भाई आप लोग ये सब करने के बाद चोरी वगैरह ज्यादा हो रहेगा ये तो पता ही है आप लोग की पता यू ऑल्सो नो दैट देन यू जस्ट सरेंडर योरसेल्फ
How you
आई कैन
surrender?
कंट्रोल माय पीपल यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल योर पीपल
So why wouldn't you control them there?
what you control them there unfortunately every kind of incident is happen. It doesn't mean that by knowingly every kind of incident, you, as a in just you don't know nothing. Huh?
I asked from them before reaching this area.
इंसिडेंट कुछ
I asked from them. You asked from them. You
इंसिडेंट
asked from them.
कुछ listen इंसिडेंट कुछ जानबूझ के होता है क्या कोई भी किसी का टॉलरेटेड ऐसा क्यों होता है हम लोग क्यों also know that from Molesana how far are you from here
I chased them. I chased them.
how far
I chased them. So that's why I struck them someday. But they don't follow my
by
rules.
knowingly you all doing such type of things
No.
Huh?
You ask
how you cannot
ask them.
control your people as a
You
in-charge,
ask them.
you have the capacity to take over that
You ask them. I obstruct them. Then you will run away.
no.
Hit and run away. Then what do
you
you
have
do
to
with them?
you have to completely you have to give advice to them huh
I've already advised them.
how advise them you cannot
That's
take
why
control to him huh
That's why how many of them? See, you just
otherwise if incident happens,
hundreds.
who will take the in charge who will take the
You ask
responsibility
from me.
suppose incident happens if incident occurs who will take the responsibility who will take the case
I informed all
you
my higher authorities.
you as a IC Molesana or I am as a IC of Lukunsi will take the risk huh but you cannot control your own
So
people
why you insulting me?
why not
Why
you
insulting
don't
me?
have capable of taking in charge
This depends upon
you
the
don't
government.
have capable of taking in charge of Molesana IC
It depends upon the
you
government.
don't
not
have capable
decide.
you don't have capable of taking in charge you cannot control your own people
Well.
how far you can cross this border how far you can cross
I chased
have
them.
you realized this you just see left and right everyone you just towards it
That's why
it is all
I asked them to go back. That's why I asked them.